don't like heights.
Where's the windows? We just sat on a piece of metal.
Okay, it is now bloody hell. It's absolutely pouring down. We are the only people going up a mountain. The only ones. We must be mad. It's her fault. That's Magda.
Yeah, hello.
Magda said we're going up a mountain, rain, hail or shine. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
We are, what's the name of the area?
Czantoria.
Czantoria.
Yes, and this is a place that 400,000 people come every year, just not today.
I'm getting wet, David. I want to look like a garden gnome.
Yeah, we'll hopefully show some video from the top, but I'm not sure you're going to see anything beyond cloud. The last time we did something like this, we went up a funicular into the snow and couldn't see anything there either. But yes.
But as a reward, they took us to a Michelin-starred restaurant for dinner.
They did. Look at that. She's getting dressed.
So
Magda's getting dressed.
Posh restaurant for dinner to compensate
Yeah,
for this.
fancy dinner. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon.
Turn left. Oh, it's going straight.
Okay.
Say hello to the camera.
Me?
Yeah.
Hello. Bin bags. Oh, there goes my cat.
We represent the Lollipop Guild, the Lollipop Guild, the Lollipop Guild.
Hi ho, it's off to work we go.
I'll tell you what.
Do you know any Smurf songs? I think Smurf's the best one.
Oh, na 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 na.
Sing a happy song.
Welcome to Rain.
Czantoria, I think it's pronounced.
Czantoria. We are in a beautiful area, about a 90-minute drive from Katowice. Normally, the view here is supposedly spectacular. You can find it on other YouTube videos.
This is our second trip into the mountains in Poland, and we are now 2 for 2. Go up to the top of a mountain and see nothing because the clouds are there.
As we say in the north of England, bugger all.
Yeah, but we got a lovely hat to wear.
Yeah, and we got, yes, look, poncho.
I've got my bag at the front in case you're wondering whether I've eaten too many of
Got do profile. Look at that.
That's
look
the
at
recording equipment. Thank you very much.
Okay, so what can we see in the background?
Nothing.
No, I think we can. There's coming round at the moment, just over there. Oh, there's another human being. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, they're talking in Polish.
I think our driver had just driven up the hill for us.
So behind us is it's not a cable car. What do you call it?
A chairlift.
A chairlift. 3 people. It's great. It's fun. You come up 2,500 feet or 850 meters. According to Mark, it's the same height as the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building,
But slightly wetter.
but slightly more beautiful.
I don't know. I can't see.
No, but even coming up, while we were cursing at being drenched and killing ourselves laughing with our lovely guide Magda, we were also looking down on fir trees, on the grasses, on the mosses. There was a little bit of mushrooms growing, toadstools. Really, really pretty.
I was just looking down going, if I fall, I'm going to hurt myself.
Well, it would have been squashy and muddy.
Actually, it's very safe, and thankfully there's not a lot of wind, so it just felt like going up on a hot air balloon.
If you come here on a sunny day, you can walk for another 30 minutes or so to the top of the mountain, which is at about 3,000 feet. And there the views are said to be even more spectacular. But even if you can't do that, just behind us, not that you can see it today, there's also an observation point. There's coffee down at the bottom, and there are lots of other attractions here. About 2/3 of the way up the hill, there's a toboggan course which runs for 750 metres.
Do you know what I found?
What?
If you do this with your hat, it makes a noise.
Okay.
Thank you very much.